scoops of sugar go in here now. Sprinkle it in. Sprinkle it in. And rotate about 4 times. All right, I'm coming in. John, what do you think of my form here? Very supple, Rich. Very supple, I know. One more, right? I'm not even looking, John. I ain't looking.